Yes, thank you. Right, distribute this. Thank you. What? Stop coughing on my stuff. Coughing in my.
YouTube, what's poppin', y'all? Y'all know what time it is. I'm by myself. Nobody's with me. It's break time. I know I'm talking fast right now because I gotta hurry up and go get in the car. They outside waiting for me. So we about to go get some lunch, y'all. I'm about to do the coughing prank always. I'm about to do the coughing prank, y'all. I'm gonna be coughing all our food. Y'all think she gonna eat it? Do y'all think she gonna eat it? Listen, y'all, so I told her to use the bathroom. So let me hurry up before she call my phone or tell me to come on. We're gonna make this prank quick, fast, and get out of here. Y'all know how Snake Attack ain't like to do it. So listen, y'all, we like 500 away from 200K. Clap it up, y'all. Everybody clap it up. We like 500 away from 200K, y'all. Next goal, 300K, then 1 million. Y'all know how we carrying it, y'all. So listen, let's get into this prank. I love y'all, Snake Attack Gang. Thanks for holding me down. Now let's go get Team Lex out of here.
I literally put no effort into getting ready today.
Me either.
Boy, you thirsty.
What is we eating?
I'm going to Chick-fil-A. I don't know about you though. How about you, little rascals?
Why do you always pick Chick-fil-A?
Because it's the better option. Are you okay?
I don't know.
This is the first time I heard you cough. Oh, good enough. Your throat hurt?
Huh?
Does your throat hurt?
I don't know.
Why are you coughing in your hand though?
Hmm?
They didn't teach you in school?
No, you.
No, you don't. Why would you cough in your hand and you gonna be touching stuff? What's a cough in your?
You don't.
Yes, you
don't.
do. Why would you cough in your hand and touch stuff? Germs. You're spreading
cough
germs.
in your face?
No, cough in your arm. Okay, don't touch me.
It's just a cough.
It's not just a cough. Coughing spreads germs.
What?
Coughing spreads germs. Not just a cough.
And did you want to receive for your
Lexi, sexy.
No.
How can I help you?
Can I please do the 5-count kids nugget meal?
What kind of drink?
Apple juice is fine.
Any sauce?
Chick-fil-A sauce.
Anything else there?
What are you getting?
I'll do a how the counts come?
How do your chicken counts come? Just for the nuggets?
For the nuggets, the meal or just the nuggets by itself?
The meal.
Nuggets by itself.
Nuggets by itself. Nuggets by itself, I'm sorry.
The nuggets by itself, we have 5, 8, 12, and 30.
Let me do a 5-count with a small fry.
A 5-count?
You might as well get a kids meal.
Oh, give me kids.
Can we have another kids one?
What kind of
What
drink?
did you get?
What kind of drink? I haven't ordered mine yet. What kind of drink?
Bottle of water.
A bottled water is fine. And milkshake. Let's just make that a meal.
So did you want 2 kids meals or no kids?
Yep, still keep the kids meals.
So you want to make it an 8-count nugget meal?
Yeah.
With the peppermint shake?
Yep.
And you want whipped cream and cherry, right?
Yep.
And what kind of sauce for your nuggets?
Chick-fil-A is good.
Anything else?
That's it.
It's gonna be, I have 2 kids meals, one with the apple juice, one with a bottle of water, the peppermint shake, the 8-count nugget with medium fries.
Yep. Yes, thank you. Right, distribute this. Thank you. What are you doing?
Huh?
Why are you coughing on my stuff?
What are you talking about?
Why are you coughing on my stuff? Thank you.
What stuff?
My string. What is wrong with you?
What?
That is gross. I just told you about coughing.
Oh. Winter, you hungry? Here you go.
Yeah, he's telling you to give him his food. Stop coughing on my stuff. What is wrong with you?
Okay, yeah, cherry.
Well, you done coughed all over it. Go ahead. You coughing all over somebody else's stuff like that.
Huh?
Weird. cough in your arm, please. Or don't cough at all over my stuff.
Oh, Chick-fil-A probably needs you.
Snacks, stop playing. Damn. You cough over somebody's stuff. Who fry is that?
Huh?
That's a medium fry. That's not a small fry. That's not yours. No, you didn't. You got a kid's fry.
Why would I get kids meal?
Because you got a kid's meal.
No, this is mine.
No, it's not. What is wrong with you? Stop.
You trying to call to stop for me?
You! Stop coughing over my stuff. What is wrong with you?
I'm just trying to...
You're not trying to do nothing. Put my stuff down and stop coughing over it. Give it here, matter of fact. Give this here, please. Put all of your damn germs over my stuff.
Here.
Yeah, all right, here, nothing. How you just cough over somebody's stuff like that?
Chill out.
No, I'm not gonna chill out. It's trifling. We was just talking about coughing.
Huh?
Is that my food or
I
yours?
eat my food. I put it in here.
What? That's not your fry.
Huh?
And that's not your nugget. Is that 8 pieces? Are you pulling your stuff from a kid's bag? Be fucking for real, Snacks. Be for real. Why is you laughing? What's funny about that? Now, if I pour this shake on you, we're gonna see who's laughing.
You're snapping over me coughing.
You're coughing on my food. It's disgusting. It's disgusting. Where your food at? Let me cough over your food. Right.
That is yours.
No, this is your stuff.
No, my stuff right here.
Why are you eating my food? So you coughing and eating my... Yeah, enjoy. Next, the shake is coming. Keep playing.
What the...
What the what? What? Next, the shake is coming. Please try me.
Yo.
Not in the mood for games.
You just knocked all your food on the floor.
No, you knocked all of your food on the floor. And I'm going to eat yours out of the kids' meal.
Huh?
I'm eating yours. I decided that when you start coughing all over my stuff.
Why?
Trifling ass. That is disgusting, bro. How you just cough all over somebody's
Did you
stuff
just knock
like
all
that?
my nuggets on the floor?
There you go. Now they really all knocked on the floor.
Oh my God.
Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it was funny. Since you're laughing and think it's funny that you're coughing over my stuff.
Oh my God.
When I'm telling you to cough in your arm.
Lex, it was only a prank.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the prank. I really do. I hope it was a funny one. Enjoy.
My food.
Well, so what? Now that's funny.
Bro.
I hope you enjoyed it. What you got to eat during your prank. Maybe you'll think next time before playing with somebody's food.
Me?
Stop doing food pranks. It's getting annoying.
What?
What?
Can I have a milkshake?
No, hell no. I'm gonna sweep this stuff off the top, and if you want to eat it out the bag, feel free.
We're married.
Who cares? I don't want your coughing stuff. You done probably coughed a chicken bone or something in here.
You would piss me.
It's different. It's food.
Yo, my food. Oh.
That's on you. And you're stop eating my fries because you got a small fry. Maybe if you thought you wasn't trying to play, you would have been eating your own food and we wouldn't have had this problem.
Let's go back, yo.
No, I'm not going back.
Come on, yo. Let's just go back.
No, enjoy the prank.
We're only around the corner.
Now this is funny.
This is fucked up, yo. Come on, Lex.
No.
I'm hungry.
Well, you better eat what's left. Maybe you'll think before playing with somebody's food next time.
That was just nugget that you knocked on the floor,
It
though.
don't matter.
No, you're not eating my shit.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
Well,
You
go
can
back.
hold the bag as tight as you want to. It's mine now.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Come on, tell them for real. Tell them like, comment, and subscribe. Come on. Get that energy back. That same energy you had when you was coughing on my food. Where'd that energy go? Brenton back there smacking on his food.
I'm gonna cough for this stuff, too.
What?
I'm gonna cough on this stuff, too.
I wish you would. You'll get put out the car.